For the first part of this video, guys, click on this video on my channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Well, since fishing ain't work out, let's see if I can't blow this piece of crap up. Yep, she's ready to go. Yay! Coco! I think I just blew her up. Hold on, let's see how she does in the water, guys. I just blew her up. I'm about to take her for a swim. Woo! She's eating, boys. She's eating. Uh-oh. 4x4 on. Lock. She's on, boys. Uh-oh. Bro, this four-wheeler sucks! Alright. Well, my dad's coming, but in the meantime, see if I can't get her started. Gave her a little break. Maybe she's just a little tired. Oh gosh. Oh, she wants to start. What? Oh. I see why she don't want to start, boys. Alright. Honestly, I could leave the key there and nobody wants to take this piece of shit. I've created quite a rut. Me deja tapie. Cabrón. Thank God my house is right there though. Like, that is the positive side of things. Well, that wasn't much of a joyride, guys. That didn't last too long, actually. My dad's like, just nodding his head. Oh, I just seen a gar. Damn, I would have had better luck fishing here than I did at the pier. Mismo lugar.
En el mismo lugar, para
No.
que te acuerdes bien.
Para que me acuerde. Nah, I'm still gonna pass again. Deja que la saque para que tú veas como no paso otra vez. Hold on, Dad. Where are you going? Country boy is all I'll ever be. Oh, that wasn't secure. I'm just going to touch it right now. Okay, Daddy. Dale. Amazon girl. Nothing to see here. Go. Boom. Just like that. Shut up. Woo. Tutorial on how to sink a 4-wheeler. There you go. That's a lot better. She started! Oh my God, look how she... Yo, this 4-wheeler's pretty tough. Sunk the shit out of her and she's still running. Yep. We attempt it this time. We're gonna turn this on, turn that on. Oh. Whoa. Let's put her in low, guys. That's how you do it, boys. Don't need that anymore. What the oh. No freaking way, bro. I can't make this up. All right. Looks like we're calling Dad. Yeah, it has water in it. If it could go wrong, it will. It doesn't really surprise me. The guy who sold me that 4-wheeler screwed me, and that ended up being my neighbor who used to live right here, actually. But it's cool. Well, guys, that concludes today's video. Thank you for watching. We tried going fishing today. That ended up in a fail. We tried 4-wheeling and that ended up in a fail. So yeah, that's my life. It happens, guys. If you guys had a good time watching, please smash the like button, subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.